Hello students, in this video we are going to see the problems based on bond enthalpy. Now while solving the problems on bond enthalpy, it is very important to know the formula, and here the formula is for the reaction you always take it is summation of the enthalpies of all the reactants minus the summation of bond enthalpies of all the products. Formula is different and so you must remember the formula correctly. It is always summation of bond enthalpies of the reactants minus the summation of enthalpies of all the products. Now, how to solve the problems? For that, let us start with the first problem. Here, they have given calculate the standard enthalpy of. Now, students, when the question is given, search for the equation. Now, if you see this problem, they are asking you to calculate the enthalpy for this particular equation. So, first you should write required equation. So, here the required equation I have written along with the physical states. I have as it is copied the equation. Next thing is you will check whether the equation is balanced. Now, if you see the equation, it is balanced. Most of the time the given equation is balanced, but you have to recheck it. Now students, how to solve the problem? For that, if you see here, they have given the data. Now students, always take some efforts to take a glance on the given data so you get an idea about the type of bond, especially between nitrogen-nitrogen or oxygen-oxygen. Now if you see the given data, the bonds which they have given is between N and H single bond, H single bond and nitrogen-nitrogen single bond. Now students, the second step after writing the required equation is always try to form the structural representation for the equation. So how I will write this? Now here there is nitrogen, but from the data I can conclude that there is a nitrogen to nitrogen single bond. So I will try to write the structure for this. So the structure for this will be nitrogen attached to nitrogen and 4 hydrogens in this way plus hydrogen. So how I will write hydrogen is H and H gives 2 times ammonia. So it is H, H and H. I have written the structural form of the equation. Now here I will write reactants. Here I will write products. Why I wrote this? So that I can simplify the type of bonds. Now if I see this structure, there is one nitrogen to nitrogen bond, that is this. There are 4 nitrogen to hydrogen bonds, that is those 2 and those 2. And there is one H to H bond. On the product side, if I see, there is one NH, 2 NH, 3 NH, 3 multiplied by 2. So it will be 6 NH bonds. Now after doing this, you have to write the formula that you are going to use. So this is the formula. Your next step will be, now by seeing this particular reactant and product bonds, you will create the formula. So let us write this now. So the formula what you are using here is equal to the summation of the standard enthalpies of the reactants minus summation of standard enthalpies of products. Now let us substitute in this equation. So it will be delta is equal to, let us start from here. So it will be, now I will start from this particular thing. First I will take all the reactants minus I will take all the products. So let us write all the reactants now. So it will be 1 times the standard enthalpies of nitrogen to nitrogen plus 4 times the standard enthalpies of NH bonds plus the 1 times the standard enthalpy of HH bond. Reactants I have finished minus, now what will be that minus student? It will be 6 times the standard enthalpy of NH bond. Now this is what I have written. Now students, what you have to do is to simplify the calculation. Now you go back to this what you have written. If you see here on this side we have 4 NH bonds. Here there are 6 NH bonds. So you can cancel those 4 and 4 out of this. So what is left is 2 NH bonds. Now after this cancellation, just we are simplifying the equation. So now you will write this again. So what it will be? It will be 1 times nitrogen to nitrogen, because this is remaining as it is, plus now this we are skipping because now this gets cancelled. So I will not include this. I will write only this. So it will be delta standard of HH bond minus, now out of 6 only 2 are remaining. So right here 2 standard enthalpy of NH bonds. Now students, you have to take help of the problem data what is given. NH, HH and NN bond enthalpies they have given. So simply substitute that in this particular formula. Now let us substitute and see what you get. So NN bond enthalpy they have given, NN bond enthalpy they have given 159 into 1. So I will simply substitute 159 plus hydrogen that is 435. So I will write here 435 minus NH. Now how much is that NH bond enthalpy? Is 389. So it will be 2 into 389. Let us add this. You will get this as 594 minus 778. Now what will be the enthalpy here, student? This will be the enthalpy standard for the reaction is equal to, after calculating this, it will be minus 184 kJ. So this is your answer. This is how you have to solve it. Now let us move on to the next problem. Now here in the second problem, let us write the equation now. Here the enthalpy change of the following reaction they have given, and they are asking you to calculate CCl bond enthalpy. So the procedure is same. So let us see. Let us write the required equation first. So required equation, which is the required equation, student? CH4 gas plus Cl2 gas gives chloromethane and HCl. I have checked the reaction is balanced. Now let us write its structure. Now for this methane, how I will write this is 4 CH bonds in this way plus Cl gives CH3 bonds and Cl plus HCl. Now write on this side as the reactants, write on this side as the products. Now let us start. How many bonds are there? There are 4 CH bonds and 1 Cl bond. Come to this side. There are 3 CH bonds, 1 CCl bond and 1 HCl bond. Right, students? Let's write the formula. Formula will be enthalpy of the reaction is equal to the summation of the bond enthalpies of the reactants minus summation of the bond enthalpies of the product. Now if you see the question here, they have given the enthalpy of the reaction. So let us substitute this here. Minus 104 is equal to. And now you have to write those bonds here. So how you will write this? Here I will be writing this for the reactant 4 times the standard enthalpies of CH plus 1 time the standard enthalpy of Cl reactant side over minus 3 times the standard enthalpy of CH bonds plus 1 time the standard enthalpy of CCl bond plus 1 times the standard enthalpy of HCl bond. So I have written this. Now I will try to cancel what is same on the both the sides of reactants and products. So students, if you see this, I can cancel this and this. So here I am left with only 1 CH bond and remaining all bonds will remain as it is. So let us now refine this equation. So it will be minus 104 is equal to, now out of 4 it is only 1 what is left. So it will be 1 time the standard enthalpy of CH plus 1 time the standard enthalpy of Cl and Cl, reactant side over, minus, now this is getting cancelled, so it will be 1 time the standard enthalpy of CCl bond plus 1 times the standard enthalpy of HCl over, students. So now let us substitute the values. Minus 104 will remain on this side, and now let us try to substitute the values. Now the CH bond enthalpy they have given as 414. So let us substitute here 414 plus 1 times that of Cl. So how much is Cl? 243 minus this is CCl. So CCl you have to calculate. So I will write this as it is. That is standard enthalpy of CCl bond plus what is HCl? HCl they have given 431. So this is what we made the calculation. Now let us open up the bracket. So minus 104 is equal to 414 plus 234 plus 431 minus delta H standard of CCl. Now students, this minus and this will become minus here because I have opened the brackets now, right? Or you can keep the bracket as it is and then you can solve it. So let us keep the bracket as it is. So it will be in this way. Right, students, I am not changing the sign now. So let us start solving the problem now. Now I will take this particular term to this side because it will be like this. So let us open it now. So minus 104 is equal to, this total will come to 657. I am opening the bracket now. So it will be minus 431 minus delta H standard of CCl. Now it becomes a single equation. Now you have to calculate for this. So take this on this side. So it will become delta H standard of CCl is equal to 657 minus 431 plus 104. So this enthalpy standard of CCl bond length, this will become 2. If you solve this, student, it will be plus 330 kJ per mole. So this is how you calculate this. Let us move on to the last problem here. Now let us see this problem. You can do this simultaneously with me now. Calculate the standard NH bond enthalpy for following reaction. So you can solve this problem simultaneously. Now let us write the required equation first. So the required equation is N2. Now here 3H2 gives 2NH3 gas. Here they have given the standard enthalpy for the reaction and they are asking you to calculate the standard enthalpy for NH bond. So let us write the structural representation for this, but before that I have checked that the equation is balanced. So students, as I told you, you have to take help of the given data. If you see the given data here, there is N triple bond N, means this structure will be N triple bond N. This is how I will write, plus 3 H and H. This will be 2 and NH3 like this. Now write down on this side the reactants and here the products. If you see this, there is 1 nitrogen to nitrogen triple bond and 3 H to H bonds. On this side, 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 NH into 2. So there are 6 NH bonds. Now let us write the formula. So delta H standard of the reaction is equal to summation of total enthalpies of the reactants minus total enthalpies of the products. First step over. Now start substituting. If you see this, they have given the value. So I will write here minus 83 kJ is equal to. Now I will take help of this. So it will be standard enthalpy of N triple bond N. It is only 1. So I'll write 1 plus 3 times the standard enthalpy of HH bond. So my reactant side is over, minus 6 times the standard enthalpy of NH bond. Product side is also over. Now let us see if I can cancel something from here. So students, you can see here there is nothing which is common on both the sides. So my equation will remain the same. Now start substituting the values. So this is minus 83 is equal to nitrogen triple bond enthalpy they have given, that is 946 plus 3 times that of hydrogen. So it will be 3 into 435. So the reactant side is over, minus 6 times the standard enthalpy of NH bond. This is what you have to calculate. Now let us solve this. So it will be minus 83 is equal to, so this total will come to, before that let us multiply this. So 946 plus this will come to 1305. Right students, minus 6 times the enthalpy of NH bond. Let us make a total here. So this will become minus 83 is equal to, this total will come to 225 and 6 1. So it will be 2251 plus 6 times, sorry, minus 6 times the standard enthalpy of NH bond. Now let us rearrange the equation. So I will get 6 times the total enthalpy of NH bond is equal to, now I am taking this to this side, I will bring this to this side, so it will become 2251 plus 83. Right students? So how much this will come to is 6 times the standard enthalpy of NH is equal to, let us make a total of this. So this will come to 2, 3, 3, 4. Now students, if you see the problem, they are asking you to calculate for NH. What we have calculated is for 6 NH bonds. So for 1, what will be that? So delta H standard of NH of a single bond is equal to 2334 divided by 6. After dividing this, you will get the answer as 389 kJ per mole. So what is the bond enthalpy of NH bond? Is 389 kJ mole inverse. So this is how you solve the problems based on bond enthalpy. If this question is asked, this question can be for 3 marks. And so students, please, you have to focus on the equation itself, that is the total summation of reactants minus total summation enthalpies of products. I hope you have understood the concept how to solve the problem. So please do like this video. Don't forget to share it with your friends. And please, if you have not subscribed my channel, do subscribe the channel so that you can get more such videos. Thank you students.